Nearly 7,000 arrested for illegal fishing in the Yangtze River. Chinese police have solved more than 4,700 criminal cases related to illegal fishing in the Yangtze River, arresting over 6,900 suspects according to the Ministry of Public Security. More than 3,900 fishing boats and 45,000 units of fishing gear have been seized in a series of crackdowns on illegal fishing in China's longest river since July. Under the supervision of the Ministry of Public Security, 155 major cases associated with illegal fishing have been solved, while others associated with the supply chain of illegal catches have been busted. In January of 2020, China implemented a full fishing ban in 332 conservation areas in the Yangtze River basin, and on January 1 the ban expanded to a 10-year moratorium on all natural waterways of the river, including its major tributaries and lakes. The MPS has set up a tip-off center to handle public reports of violations, making use of telephone hotlines, email, and its official accounts on social media platforms. According to the ministry, they have stepped up police patrols on the river at night, including remote and covered areas. The CCP is requiring local governments in the basin and related government bodies to work together to implement the ban. According to official Chinese government statistics, nearly 228,000 people have left the fishing industry since the ban was implemented.